Worx chainsaw. This is a 14-inch chainsaw. I got this because I need a electric chainsaw when I don't want to mess with my gas chainsaw. It had good reviews. It's got a 14-inch blade. We're going to open it up and check it out. And then we're going to test it out on that log. So this should be fun. If you've never been to this channel before, I appreciate you coming and watching. Please do me a favor and give me a like or subscribe. It always helps me out. With that, let's get started. Alright, so I picked this up because for 49 bucks it had 5-star review. It's available in my link below. And like I said, I just needed a cheap and easy electric chainsaw for my projects and cleaning up my yard when I don't really want to mess with gasoline. So, it comes with your instructions, which is nice. Tells you how to deal with your blade, whatnot. And then it comes with, this is the blade sheath, and then the actual chainsaw, which is in there pretty good. And that's the critter right there. That's the chainsaw. Comes pre-assembled, which I like. This is your tensioner. So let's give it a try. Okay, so a couple of things. You've got to still use chainsaw oil. You got to lube the blade. That goes in right here. Pretty straightforward. It's got a window to see how much oil is in there so you don't run low. You want to make sure that it's full. This, on most mowers, is a guard or a safety. It's not on this one. On this one, the safety is the trigger and the push button. Now, this is your tensioner, and then the cord goes through here and plugs in here so it doesn't fall out. So it's pretty straightforward. It cuts up to 28 inches because the blade's 14. So we'll give that a shot. Get a little oil in here. Should be using a funnel, but we're not going to today. Alright, so I spilled a little, and I knew I should have used a funnel. That's my bad. Put this back on. Supposed to pump this one time. I'm going to pump it a couple. I want some oil to come in through. Okay, let's pull that off. Now, I have no idea what this log is. I don't know what this is. I think it's elm, but it is really hard wood. So we're going to give it a try. See how it does. I think I'll just start with that. Actually did pretty good. Alright, let's see if we can get some usable wood out of this for my lathe. So it does a great job. This wood is extremely hard, and it's still green, and it's cutting through it no problem. For what I paid, $49.95, it's perfect. I'm going to grab a couple other little logs to show you how easy it is. Stop it. It is just lightweight. It's an absolute pleasure to work with. For what I paid, I really can't say enough good about it. It works really well. And it actually makes a pretty clean, good cut. So, anyway, just thought I'd show you guys that. 49 bucks, available in my link below. Do me a favor, give me a like, or better yet, subscribe. I got a whole bunch of new tools coming in to be testing out. A whole bunch of new woodworking stuff. I really appreciate the support. I'll see you next time. Thanks for joining me. I'm Derek Jones.